Hey y'all, welcome to the BonnyBe channel where you get a dope virtual experience. So today we're going to get into Boxycharm. So many people has been asking me about Boxy Luxe, Boxy Premium, the Boxycharm base box. So we're going to break it down for you a little bit today and talk about these boxes, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box. All right, so let's get into it. So this is the Boxycharm Premium / Luxe box, and I'll get more into that. And this is the Boxycharm base box. So I've been with Boxycharm now for about 8 months, and I was getting only the base box, and I love the items that I've been getting so far. I just upgraded to the premium box, and then I did the Luxe. So we'll get more into that, but let's talk about the differences between the boxes first. So the Boxycharm base box is $25 per month with free shipping, and it includes 5 full-size beauty products that are worth over $125. They do have customization. You get to choose one of the products, which I haven't really done that yet, but you get to choose one of the products and you get the box every month. The additional perks to this box is you get to shop add-ons, Boxy pop-up sales where you save 80% off makeup and beauty products, and you also get to earn charms to redeem for free beauty products on the charm room or in the charm room. They give you coupons, and then we're going to move on to the premium box. So the premium box is $35 per month, free shipping, 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, over $175, and you get to customize one of the products. You get it every month, and the same thing with the perks. Then you can get the Luxe. So the Luxe is quarterly, so it's only a couple of times, and it's $49.99 every 3 months, and it includes 8+ full-size prestige beauty and lifestyle products worth over $275. So they also give you the option to check for previous boxes, and they'll show you like some things. So I think that's pretty cool because you get to look and see on the website what people got. You can make the decision whether or not you want to purchase or upgrade your box. All right, so let's get into the base box that I got for this month. So each box, when you open it, comes with a little index card, which I really like. This theme is candy. I really like that this comes in there because it tells you how much everything costs and gives you a little description. So we're going to keep this out a little bit for this little viewing and all that. All right, so the first thing is the Murad hydration. So back to what I was saying before. So I did the upgrade and I did the Boxy Luxe 3-month thing, and I got my Boxy Luxe box, which was really big, but I felt like a lot of the stuff was just kind of like thrown in there, but I also had like a hole in it. Like it was like my box was bursting through the seams, and I was just like, did someone steal something?
Oh, he's stealing!
Were they stealing stuff out of my box, or is this everything that I got? I just wasn't totally sure, and I thought that I was going to get my special item, which was this that I actually picked for the Luxe with that box, but it ended up coming with this box. So, you know, I'm trying to get used to the whole switch up because, like I said, I've been consistently just getting the base box. So I don't know what's going on, but the next box I'll be able to, you know. Well, anyway, I'm ranting, so let me just get back into it. So this is the Murad hydration, which I picked, and this is the exfoliating cleanser. And I did a poll on Instagram before this came in because I wanted to see like what people thought of this, and I got like a lot of reviews. Like people were like they didn't like it. It was just like and I only had like 2 people. I think it was about maybe like 20 people that said yay or nay, and only 2 people said that they loved it. So I don't know. What I'm gonna do for y'all is a lot of this stuff I'm gonna put on my Instagram, and I'm gonna do like morning routines. Like every day I'll review a new item, so you can stay tuned for that. That's gonna start in November, so y'all can stay tuned for that. And my Instagram is BonnyBe.mua. So check it out, get on there, get on my Instagram, and then you can see the reviews. So moving on. So we got the Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. I don't know. It's a body wash plus buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So let's see. Ooh, I can smell it like right through the box. So that's what that looks like. I'm not really into perfumey things, but I'll try it just once just to get a feel of it and, you know, see what it's hitting for. So the next thing that I got is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupachu Lip Butter. This is Soulmate is the name. So that's cute. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, the top is like already coming off, but yeah, so this would be cute. That is cute. I like that. It looks like a dope fall color. So that work. Ooh. Oh my god. It smells like, oh my god, it smells like chocolate. Love it. So we're definitely going to try that. Then we got the Grown Aqua Mist. I think I'm saying that right. Matte Balancing Moisturizer. Okay. The box is pretty plain with words on it. Australian certified. Don't know what that means, but we'll see. Oh, okay. Okay. So I am very, very much into moisturizers. So I'm definitely going to try this. I got in the previous Boxycharm the Glow moisturizer, and that works bomb. So the next thing that I got is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Yo, everything in this box smells like freaking delicious. Like, okay. So that's what that looks like. Dope, dope, dope. Yes, I like that. I like that. So this is the box that I got, and this is the $25 box, and I like it. I mean, I think that it's worth it. I like my stuff in there, so let's go into how much everything costs. So the Beauty Bakery palette costs $38. The Grown Aqua Mist costs $69. The Murad was $40. The Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter was $20. And the Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer was $20. So that is the whole breakdown. And it also has a description. So I don't know. I'm very, very pleased with this. Now let's get into the premium box. Alright. So I had got a Hallmark collectibles item, which was this. Oh, wait a minute. Rewind. Okay. Which was this. It's just a makeup bag. So, I mean, it's okay. You know, it's just a cute little makeup bag. I don't know. I mean, I ain't complaining. Like, I could use it. It just looked a little dingy.
Please. No. I want. Stop. Don't do that.
I'm just saying. Came in a little bag like this. But I'm forever grateful. I got this Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. And let me tell y'all, listen, if you do anything, you want to wear eye cream day and night, okay? At least night. Let's smell it. So I also got an eye cream before in my Boxycharm base box from I forget the company, but it was $150, and I use that eye cream all the time. Love it. So I am definitely going to try this and letting y'all know what's up on my Instagram. So make sure y'all get on there. Then I got my girl Riri. So I got the Fenty Foil, the Freestyle Highlighter Duo. And the colors is 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. So I love Fenty products. Yes. And you know what? I need my Hustle Baby back. But oh my God. Listen. Y'all know this is gorgeous. Like, y'all know this is gorgeous. Y'all know this cost a pretty penny too. This stuff ain't cheap. This ain't cheap. Listen. And just look at the packaging. Like, Riri be doing her thing. I love my Fenty. So I'm very pleased with this. All right. I be getting carried away, y'all. So then I got the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And this one is Grind. So I'm assuming this is a darker color. Let me see. Oh, okay. No, it's brown. All right. Okay. Come on, brows. Okay. It's brown. Cute packaging. Very clean. I love clean packaging. Like, this is really cute. This actually looks like the Grown Aqua Mist moisturizer packaging a little bit, but... So I'm down with that. I'm cool with that. So then I got the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. So now this is what I was talking about. Now you see the box? Why the box look like that though? It looked like somebody stepped on it, was crumbling up. I don't know what was going on. I know it wasn't my Boxycharm people. I know it wasn't the Boxycharm people. This was the male people, okay? Because they be playing. I'm going to show y'all the box. I'm going to show y'all. Hold on. Look at this joint. Somebody was trying to get me. And I think I got. I'm not sure. I was going to call Boxycharm, but then I was like, you know what I mean? Like, I talked to Jesus or whatever, and I was like, you know what? Somebody needed. He was like, yeah, somebody needed it more than you. And I said, you know what? You're right. But the next box, that's not going to happen. How about that? Period. So then I opened this already because I was just too excited. So this is the Biro Tomato Serum. Oh God, this is what this looks like. And this right here, listen, this is the only thing that I like opened and tried because I was so excited. And yo, this has your skin glowing. When I opened this box, I took this out, and this was the only thing that I opened, and I used it on my trip. So if you go to my previous videos, because I know you want to do that. I know you want to keep watching me. Like, why wouldn't you want to keep watching me? So if you go back to my previous video I did in Dallas, you'll see how to use this and how it just gets your skin all glowy. You don't got to put on makeup or nothing, sis. So take the time out when you're done with this and go back and watch that video. Moving on. So I got the Lash Boss Bold Volume Mascara. So just some nice little mascara. I guess I could try this. I might try this. I don't really got like long lashes, but we'll see if this gives me the volume, because it says volumizing mascara, so it should be giving me volume, right? So we're gonna see. We might do this tomorrow, I'm not sure. Then I got the Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. So I'm really into like fall colors and stuff like that. This looks like it's probably fall like. This is nice packaging too. So I like that. You can never have enough eyeshadow. And like the best thing about getting the Boxycharm and the Boxycharm premium boxes is that it's almost holiday season, so you can gift stuff to people, like things that you might have double of, or things that you're like, this just might not be for me. You can gift it to somebody. So I like that idea. All right, then I got the trees. I'm not going to mess up the name on this. I'm just not going to do it. But the Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essentials set. So this is, I think this is blush. Okay, so it's a mini highlight stick, mini blush stick, mini shadow crayon, and a mini brow pencil. So that is cool. I like that. So I can do something with this like in the morning for like a quick routine, and we can just see how that goes and see how quick it makes my process before work. So I will try that. And last but not least, I have the Stem Cell Mist from Dr. Plus Farm. Ooh. Nice. And this packaging, oh, okay. So this is made in Korea. So this might be a part of the Korean skincare type of thing, which we all know. If you do know about skincare, the Korean skincare lines are super dope and is really bomb on your skin. So I wonder, so I'm definitely going to do some research on this. Everything on here is in a different language, so I'm not really sure what this says, but we want to make sure this is okay for me to put on my skin. So I'm gonna look it up and see and give y'all an update, and that's that. So that is the $35 box, y'all, and for real, it's dope. I mean, I'm pleased with the items that I got. So I did get a face mask that had THC, sativa, and cannabis oil in it. And if you go back to my Same Dallas video, you can see that in that video. So I did use that, and I really enjoyed it. There's a couple of things that I got in these boxes that I know for sure I'm gonna buy again. So thank you for sitting in with me. I love y'all all. Thanks for watching. I am so appreciative of you just taking the time out to get to know me and my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations about things you want me to review, just let me know in the comments. All right, bye.